The only bike shop I've been to down this way is Rainbow. Off the A30, is it?
I don't know that one.
See, that looks
See
nice,
that Triumph? But it looks tiny.
That's the 400 though, isn't it?
Ooh. Yeah, it looked fucking minute.
I would like a 400 Triumph or the CB350 or the Enfield 350. Like I say, just as a second bike. And I reckon you'd have just as much fun, albeit at a slower pace, on them as you do on these.
See, part of me thinks if you're going to have a second smaller bike, then fuck it, get a little Grom or something.
Yeah.
And have a real laugh on them.
Small bikes have definitely got the entertainment value, haven't they?
Yeah. It's like Chris and John up in Scotland on their Groms. They have a fucking hysterical time on them.
Oh, yeah. I don't think we need any more fun and excitement when we go out, though. I mean, most days I go back with wet pants anyway. Because of all the laughing.
We ought to have a day though when we go out without the cameras and all the faff, the microphones.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, don't need to film every ride, do we?
It is a shit show though, isn't it? I mean, look at him. He's had a few donuts, hasn't he?
Yeah.
He's no stranger to a fish supper.
This, as far as I looked, and then we're sort of going to just come out of extra and head up a bit, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll go out to Crediton.
That's it. That's as far as I saw.
And then head out towards Black Dog and Nomansland.
Oh, sounds like
another Nomansland, because there's one in the New Forest, isn't there? Nomansland.
There is. Believe it or not, there's a lovely pub called the Lamb in Nomansland.
Was he moaning and bitching?
I think so, yeah. But it's give way to the right.
Yeah, and we're out on the main road for years. You alright for fuel, you are? And yeah, I've got half a tank.
Yeah, I filled up yesterday before I come out.
I had just under 3/4 when I come out.
I've done 91 miles.
Look, those two Chinese blokes at the bus stop there, they're looking over at my bike and going, my granddad made most of the parts on that.
Yeah. He thinks he's riding a German bike, but he bloody ain't.
So I might go in Asda and put some fuel in and chuck my water trousers on.
Yeah, okay.
I've got half a tank, but...
Yeah, but if you're going to stop to do that, you might as well stop and put your trousers on.
Yeah, it'd be an excuse to put the fucking trousers on, wouldn't it?
I'm going to stop way back here for some reason.
So I went in there to pay, and she's talking to a bloke who's just fucking filled up, but carries on talking to him rather than serve me after he's paid his...
Yeah, it's rude, isn't it? You find
worth every penny.
You do find that in a lot of shops, so there's, you know, manners have gone out the bloody window, haven't they?
I mean, she could have said to me, hang on a minute, mate, yeah, 15.28 please, but thank you. There you go, there's your change, and then carried on talking to him.
Yeah. Obviously trying to get a date out of him.
Well, I mean, Halloween is coming.
But there is a limit, is there?
This fucking zip.
Breathe. Patience.
Do you know, sometimes you put it in and it just does up straight away. Christ. Been years since I stopped there. They weren't there the last time we stopped there.
Why not?
Oh, it's just fucking me off.
There you go.
It's like a minute millimetre of pushing it down into the rebate a bit more. And yet the external zip, bang, straight in.
Yeah. Must be a different size, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, the internal one's a big fucking zip.
You know it's not going to rain now we've put all the waterproofs on.
Yeah, I know, sun will come up. It'll go like 28 degrees now.
Yeah. I can't believe how sensible I've been lately, carrying waterproofs and actually putting them on when it starts to rain, rather than sitting out in the rain getting drenched.
Round the one-way bit.
Train motorcycles. Doesn't look like they sold anything for a while, does it?
No.
I think the newest bike in there was P-Reg. Bloody hell, that's a handful, isn't it?
I bet they're yappy as fuck when someone knocks a door.
Oh, crikey, yeah. See, some place names, it's a bit of a giveaway where they got their names from and how they got their name,
Yeah.
isn't it? You know, Sandy Ford, but other ones takes a bit more working out.
Big fuck off pothole there.
Oh, yeah. Very nice up through here, though.
The Rose and Crown. Sale agreed.
Oh, at least we haven't lost another one.
Yeah. Going round at the right. Cool, look at that place there.
Yeah, lovely bit of thatch, isn't it?
Oh, look, a rainbow.
Wonder if this will pick it up.
It's clearly raining over there then.
Well, they didn't forecast rain for the day, did they?
No. That's slippy on that
It
corner.
is, isn't it?
Oh, look at that set over there. Look.
Oh, I could live there. Nice woods behind you. Never run out of firewood, would you?
No. God, look at the shite here, look. I had a feeling this might be like this.
Leaf mulch and conkers. I do like being out in the sticks. Get away from them people.
Yes.
Ah.
It's down there now. Wonder how many people have fucking reverse up there and have a shag at night.
Ah, we were doing so well, weren't we? We've all been there and done that, haven't we? All had our favourite lay-rise or lane, or bus stop even. That's another story. Black Dog. The name of the place, isn't it?
In the middle. Yeah, this place, yeah, Black Dog.
Well,
Is this place in front?
see, that was a pub, wasn't it?
Must have been. Yeah. Oh look, he got Black Dog on his window. Yeah. I wonder if it was called the Black Dog when it was a pub.
More than likely, yeah, because they weren't very adventurous back then, were they? It was probably named after the bloody pub.
Here we go, wind and rain.
Oh yes, it's definitely rain up ahead.
Good choice putting a leggings on. Should
Nice.
I have put the jacket on as well?
Oh, you can always stop and chuck it on if you want to. I can't believe I missed the first half of the ride. You know, the first bit of the ride.
Oh, what with the camera?
Yeah. Well, it did flick to photo and I flicked it back to video. And I reckon I just didn't start it again. I think that's what it is. Fixed one problem, caused another one. I wonder who else is daft enough to go on a day like today.
Now, they've got chairs across the entrance, so I presume they're shut.
Yeah.
As in shut down, or looks it, doesn't it? All the curtains drawn up.
Yeah, but it's still got ashtrays out the front.
Oh yeah.
I reckon those chairs are free to a good home, you know, because it looks like a board in front of them.
Clear.
Thank you, sir. I still looked, but always pays to, just in case. Can you believe
Well,
there's
that's a big
perfect
old barn.
sunshine both sides of us? No man's land.
There you go, no man's land.
So is that the tip of our ride today, is it? Far up
No,
as we go,
we've done the tip and we're coming
Yeah.
up now to start coming back.
Yeah.
Look at the shit down the big pothole here. shit down through the middle. Look at that fucking, it's like the San Andreas fault.
That might be the border between Devon and Cornwall.
Faff stop. A bit of faffage. Battery change, stretch the legs. As you say though, it does, it gives you that inclination to get off and stretch your legs.
Yeah.
Is she dirty? Oh fuck me, ain't she ever? Yep, red lights flashing.
Yeah, perfect timing.